Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you simple flower nail art design step by step guide. While this design may look complicated, it's actually super easy and a great starting point for beginners. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a bright pink nail polish. Step number 2, using dotting tool and a white nail polish. Place 5 large dots in a circle on your thumb and ring fingernails. Step number 3, using the dotting tool and a yellow nail polish. Place smaller dots inside the ones you just created. Step number 4, before this smaller dot rise, drag the edges of each liner circle to the center with the dotting tool so that each circle is more of the teardrop shape and all 5 dots are touching. Step number 5, carefully place a rhinestone decal in the center of the nail with the dotting tool or a pair of tweezers. Step number 6, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Look, we get that flower nail designs are nothing new. Cue the Devil Wears Prada reference here. But after a month away from the salon, any nail art feels like the freshest thing on the planet, paired with the fact that floral nail art is usually reserved for the warm month. Opting for some right now actually feels unexpected, even edgy, depending on the kind of design you go for, since there are more ways wear flowers on your nails than ever. Cartoonish, retro, 70s, floral, and definitely spring stock trend. Thank for slabs like Dua Lipa and Bella Hadid. While Etsy is full of photorealistic decals that look modern hill. And if you prefer more saccharine take, there are plenty of sweets, delicate riffs on flower design too. Whatever, whenever your preference and skill level, we've rounded up a ton of your favorite ideas that will last of you from now thought springtime and beyond. Thank you very much for watching my today's video. If you have any query and any suggestions, feedback, please comment me below. If you like my today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. See you later. And happy winter and happy Valentine's Day in advance. Thank you very much.